Launched in February of the year 2012, construction of Ethiopia's first national railway network continues. The China Railway Engineering Corporation (CREC) won the project with a contract price of some $1.8 billion. The government of Ethiopia is looking forward to seeing timely completion of the railway project that connects the country's capital to the Djibouti port, which is crucial for Ethiopia's imports and exports. Ethiopia's newly elected president, Dr. Mulatu Teshome, recently visited the project's sleeper and beam precasting factory.
I'm satisfied with the progress so far, but it is just the beginning. We want to see the progress of the project in a way that it will be absolutely completed by the contract time, which is 2015. And from what we see as of today, there is hope that the CREC is capable of completing the project in time.
The backbone and main artery of the line is located in Ethiopia's central plateau, the Sebeta Adama Meso line, which runs for some 328 kilometers. 114 kilometers of the railway is double track and is designed to cross major investment zones and more than 20 towns right across the country. More than 25% of the project is now complete.
Progress is very well as per the contract schedule. We are 100% in time.
It is estimated that the corporation's sleeper and beam precasting factory has created jobs for up to 3,500 Ethiopians and some 200 Chinese nationals. Peter Kaba, CCTV.